Introduction. The eye is an organ that reacts to light and allows vision. The cells in the retina that allows mindful light belief are, which also enables eyesight, including color differentiation and the understanding of depth. The eye can differentiate between about 10 million colors and has the capacity to detect an individual photon. This book is aimed at providing natural solution to eye problems. In this book, you would learn the fundamental causes of eye problems, eye infections, and its symptoms, and subsequently its treatment. Also, you would learn the top factors that contribute to eye problems, such as red spot of the eye twitch, vision problems and diabetes, cataracts, glucomeretinopathy, and freckles. You would likewise learn more about vision terms. Like the eye of other mammals, the human being eye's non-image forming photosensitive ganglion cells in the retina receive light indicators which affect modification of how big is the pupil, regulation and suppression of the hormone melatonin, and entrainment of your body clock. After reading this book, I believe you would be glad you have read. Structure. Blood vessels are seen within the sclera and a large limbal band around the iris. The outer elements of the eye. The vision is made up of the anterior segment and the posterior segment. It's not shaped just like a perfect sphere. The anterior section comprises of the cornea, iris, and zoom lens. The cornea is clear and more curved, and it is from the bigger posterior portion, made up of the vitreous, retina, choroid, and the external white shell called the sclera. The cornea is normally about 11.5 milliliters or 0.3 inches in diameter and 0.5 milliliters, 500 micrometers, thick near its center. The posterior chamber constitutes the rest of the 5/6. Its diameter is normally about 24 millimeters. The cornea and sclera are linked by a location termed the limbus. Iris is the pigmented round structure concentrically encircling the guts of the vision, the pupil, which is apparently black. The size of the pupil determines the quantity of light getting into the vision, which is modified by the iris's dilator and sphincter muscles. Zoom lens. Light energy enters the vision through the cornea, through the pupil, and then through the zoom lens. The lens form is transformed for near focus accommodation, and it is managed by the ciliary muscle. Photons of light dropping on the light-sensitive cells of the retina, photoreceptor cones and rods, are changed into electric indicators that are sent to the mind by the optic nerve and interpreted as view and vision.